Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube? What's up? Oh, this week has been a hectic week. I'm now chilling at a Colostro wholesale place in Baltimore, Maryland. Ran out of hours, the usual. Oh, that's my son. He want to cut out the light. Shy. Yeah, my son actually riding with me this week. It's awesome. Always awesome to have a family with you. He enjoy his own bed up there. I always have to sleep at the top. He had to sleep at the bottom. He got to have his bottom bunk. Want to say hey, little man? You want to say hey to nobody?
Hey.
Yeah, anyway, I've had a lot of questions, guys. A lot of basic questions on getting started, on basically what you're looking for or what's going to happen. I've been out here driving now for about a month, and I tell you, there's a lot you gotta concentrate on, a lot out here, guys. I mean, seriously. Step one, when you get started, go ahead and put down your floor plan right then. Know what you want as far as your scheduling. Put my clutch in and get my thing from cutting off on it. All right, we're back. I know how to click that Allen. Yeah, step two, if you want to cut your Allen on your truck, because most of these trucks, a lot of them come with a 5 minutes hour time. I learned the process. Basically, when the light comes on, the little owl light at the top of it comes on, what I do, I perch my clutch as soon as it pops on, because you know it's going to shut off as soon as that light come on. As soon as it pops on, you press your clutch 3 times, and then you press your gas pedal up to 10 psi's, and then your RPMs. I'm sorry, punch your RPM over 1,000 RPMs, and then press your stop brake. That'll take care of it. Won't cut back off. I can sleep all night in the air conditioner or the heat. Never cuts off on it. But back to what my basis I was getting at. Guys, man, woo, where can I begin on this? Step one, like I said again, you got to go ahead and put your game plan down here. You got to focus on what you want to accomplish and what you're looking for as far as being in the trucking industry. Me, I basically I'm looking for the right company. I'm looking for the right place to be. Of course, you see I'm going to make a change. I'm getting ready to go to a different company, Avers Express. But that doesn't mean Werner doesn't work for you. It doesn't mean it. It just means it didn't work for me. But all in all, overall, the company worked with me very, very, very much. Great dispatch, man. Awesome dispatch I had. I don't know, it was female, but she's awesome, man. She's an awesome dispatch. But step two, I did all automatic. Go ahead and put down I want to be home on the weekends. They always did a good job about scheduling a route that I can take home with me to deliver that Friday, and then I'm home all weekend. And then Monday I drive back to my front row of Virginia. Basically, that's works for me. Step two. Now we get back to step two. Step two, you're gonna go ahead and narrow down your schedule. Gosh, you gotta narrow down the schedule, because this new 8-hour thing on this Qualcomm, it will get you. If you don't narrow down your schedule. You know, for point blank, you got to remember it's Central Standard Time. It's not your Eastern, whatever state you may live in. It's Eastern. So it's Central Standard Time. So basically, you look at it this way. You know, you got to do a 10-hour break. You go ahead and calculate the 10 hours. You know you can drive it to 14 hours. You got that 14 hours to work with. Remember, if it sits more than 30 minutes on off duty, it's going to reset some more hours to give you what you have left. So you could use them up pretty fast. So schedule out what you got to do. If you got to be to one client, you know what time you got to be there. You know, try to get them done really early, really fast. The first stop is the key. The faster you get that stop clear and done, the rest of them go smoothly, and it leaves you with more time at the end of the day. Basically, if I got a first stop, the first stop say it takes 3 hours. Now I try to do it in 2 hours, and that means me what, an hour to spare. Go to the next stop early. Now they supposed to be done. I'm supposed to get them done in 2 hours. I try to get them done in an hour and 10 minutes, whatever. That leaves me with 2 hours left to go. Now the third stop, because sometimes you might have 3 to 4 or 5 stops, but you just schedule them out where you get a little early time each time you do it. Now, step 3, you can trust on the Qualcomm, which I do. I trust the Qualcomm, but in reality, you want to get you what called RAM Anally. RAM Anally actually does a great job with keeping you on track for us. Put a little lighting here. RAM Anally does a great job for us keeping you on the schedule. It actually sees things just like it does in your map book. So it's actually the same company who made the RAM Anally. That's the company that makes this this GPS. So basically, get your RAM Anally. It's only cost you like I think it's like $300, but it's worth the money. You can take it out, put it in your pocket whenever you get out of your truck. You don't have to leave it in there. Yeah, I had my teeth cleaned the other day, guys. Feel good. But anyway, basically, I can take it where I want to get out. Take it home when I get home, and when I get home on Friday night, I take it and take it to the. I take it and I put it in the. And I put it in the house room, and then I bring it back Monday and get back out there again. All in all, guys, trucking doesn't have to be a complicated task. Third steps, don't need to rush. Don't need to rush to your destinations. I know you need to consume the time. You need to consume time and kind of focus on getting your time organized. I got a little speech impediment, but hey, I always had that. I love it. I live through it, and I love living through it. But in reality, you want to be safe. You want to get to those designated areas safe, and you want to get there and make sure that you continue to make money. They're going to drive crazy out there, but who cares? Let them go past you. Let them go past you. See you later. See you later. Take your time. Pretend you don't want on the road, and you're driving patiently. You have pretend you got a bunch of time to waste. Well organized the things you got to do. Take your time. No rush. Third step of all, guys, don't be in your truck stinking. Me, I take 2 baths a week. I take a bath. Yeah, me and my son are cracking up at me because I see some stinking drivers. I don't know why they doing it. I said, dude, you gonna go all week smelling like that? Man, don't be stinking in your truck, dude. Treat yourself like you're at home. Bring your bag and all your components and accessories you need to take a shower. Get you one of those love cards, those pilot cards, those discount cards. Each time you get gas, it's each one of those, but those little discount cards ask you to swipe it in there for your rewards card. It put points on those rewards, and you get free showers with those little points that you get up there. You don't have no reason to be stinking. Build up your points. Build up your points. Use your reward card. Put some points up there every time you get gas on for your truck. Yeah, that's what I do. I'm in the platinum status on Loves, so I can go to Loves anytime I want to and take a shower. I schedule my showers every week. I schedule my showers Tuesday, and I schedule my showers Thursday. Yeah, I go there and take a shower twice a week. I'm cool. I work hard Monday, take a shower on Tuesday. I work hard Wednesday, take a shower on Wednesday. I take a shower on Thursday. Yeah, because you know you're gonna sleep overnight. You ain't gonna get to the stopping time because you're gonna run out of hours. Trust me. Then Friday, I'm up morning. Then Thursday night, Friday morning, I'm heading home. So I take a shower when I get home to the house. So I keep clean, man. Well grooming, cutting everything. I work hard, but I stay clean. Don't be stinking in your truck. Organize your truck. Anybody rides in your truck with you, make sure they're clean too. Make sure they take a shower. Your truck shouldn't be ranky. Your truck should smell like my truck. Mine smell like strawberry when you in here. That's what it's gonna always smell like, my car. Keep it neat and clean. My son loves it, and I love it. My wife ain't riding this week. My son riding this week, but hey, I hope my wife be working riding it. But unfortunately, I'm gonna be skipping out to Avis Express orientation, getting rolling and everything on the truck. red trucks. Cool. But anyway, guys, keep sending me those questions. These are answers to the question that I have gotten. So hey, if you have any questions or concerns, dudes, hey, or females, I like to get shouts out to everybody. Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'm gonna keep you scoops on some good advice and get you on target. So hey, keep bringing me those questions, keep bringing me those concerns. I won't guide you wrong, man, because whatever I endure out here, you can endure. And third of all, let's not forget truck stops. Guys, you're gonna see a lot of rough ride crap going on the truck stops. And know it. Don't get yourself involved. It's not worth it. You go to the truck stop, you be friendly, get your gas or sleep overnight, whatever you're gonna do. Don't be opening your truck for the lot lizards or whatever you like to do there. Forget that mess. That mess. Focus on your objective. Focus on your objective. Focus on your objective. And you'll succeed in trucking, man. That's what I do. Focus on my family. Focus on my money I'm making for my family. Focus on what I'm looking to accomplish by the age 45. 43 now, so hey, that tells you what I'm about to be doing. But anyway, guys, peace out. I'm going to get some sleep. Got to get up in the morning and pick up this load, this Clorox over here to the Clorox plant in Baltimore, Maryland, and then I got to head back to the Front Royal, Virginia, drop it off, and then I'm got to go and I'm going to try to skate it out tomorrow so I can get ready to pick up my load and go to my next destination. Want y'all to stay cool and peace, and we out of here.